Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out these Ardell magnetic lashes. I literally haven't tried these at all. There's tape on the sides, so we're going to open these and try them out together. This is so weird and so interesting, but it would be a total game changer, like if they did work and if they did look good, because I'm so bad at like putting on regular lashes. So if these do work, like I said, total game changer. Okay, so the first one I'm going to be trying out is the magnetic lashes, and these are the full length ones. I also have the magnetic accents, which only go on like the outer portion of your eyelashes. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in and we can attempt this together. So it's labeled which one goes on top and which one goes on the bottom. So I guess oh, these are also the 110 ones. Just so you guys know, I put on mascara and like curled my lashes and stuff. With any false eyelashes you're wearing, you usually want to do that, just that like they blend, the fake eyelashes and your natural eyelashes blend together like seamlessly. Also, I put, oh no, I also put eyeliner just because it's like good to have eyeliner whenever you have fake eyelashes on, because it'll make it like seamless, you know. I'm actually just gonna like look at the screen to do this because like the mirror is on my lap and it's not convenient, so. Okay, and then I guess you just, oh, okay, I can't blink, okay, I blinked, no, stop. Oh, that's not even. You guys. Is this too much trouble than it's worth? Like, I don't know. Okay. Well, I did that. I did that right, but since there's no glue, it's like it just needs to stick like to your lashes, right? So this outer part is sticking out. I know that it's lined up and everything. Maybe I just didn't like put it far enough over, or I don't know, maybe like it's not sized right. So I'm gonna say that the full length ones are a fail. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to try the accent ones. And the style of these ones is 001, if you were wondering. When you first take it out of the packaging, since they're magnetic, they kind of put like sticky stuff on the actual lashes to, I don't know, like hold it in place in the packaging, and that sticky stuff comes off on the lashes and makes them like stick together, and it's kind of like weird. I'm trying to like separate them because I don't like that. For these ones, you just put it on like the outer corner of your eyes. That's very dramatic. Oh my goodness. Just gonna pop on the bottom ones. What is happening here? Okay, so that was on the very edge of my eyelashes, like the very end, like right down there. Okay, trying not to blink. It hurts. Okay, actually I think I did that time. Look at that, you guys. Ooh. Alright, so now I'm going to try the other eye. So these take just as much work, if not more, than like regular false lashes, but I guess like the good thing is that like it won't mess up your makeup because you don't have to deal with like the glue getting everywhere, you know what I mean? Like that's my biggest problem, I think. I'm gonna do it this time, you guys. Already know this is gonna be the successful run. Well, I feel like doing this shit so many times is gonna make me a pro at doing the regular ones, so that's a good thing at least, right? Alright, you guys, that is good enough. I am not gonna go try to do that again for like another 10 minutes. Okay, so my opinion on these, simply put, they were a pain in the ass. I think that they're too much trouble for what they're worth. You know, this one isn't even on right. This one, I think I did a pretty good job. Like, this one made me have, like, high hopes. But this one took, like, at least 10 minutes to try to put on. And it's just too much work, too much effort for like what it is. You know, I think that I'd have a much easier time putting on regular lashes, even though I'm still really bad at doing those. That's my opinion on those. You can try them out yourself to see if they work for you, but personally they don't work for me. I'm sure that they would work for a lot of other people, but it's just a lot of work for me to handle. Alright, you guys, so that's gonna complete this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that it was kind of like a simple type video, but yeah, if you liked it, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you want to see more videos like this, and also not like this, then come back on those days for more. Alright, bye guys.